Good morning, everybody. How are you? I think you are. Yes. Ayush Pal. No, that is from that. You will call to the school office. Then you can know that. Okay, you will know. And good morning, everybody. I think everybody were fine. Devoshmita, all are there, and also okay, I have fine now, beta. I am fine. Okay, everybody. I think everyone are fine, and also you are staying safe in your house, and you are doing also the nice study. Okay, today I will finish the chapter. Last day I have continued. Okay, that Marigold book is Marigold and Zoo Manners. Zoo Manners page number. Okay, I am fine with that. Okay, page number 74. Page number 74. Page number 74. Zoo Manners. Zoo Manners. Zoo Manners, last day I have written the question. What do you see at the zoo? What does the camel have on its back? These two questions I have written the answer also. What do you see at the zoo? I see various kinds of animals at the zoo. What does the camel have on its back? The camel has a hump on its back. Another two extra question I will give to you. Another two extra questions I will give to you. This is extra question. Number 3 you can write which animal took 200. Dushwar. Okay. Which animal make you laugh in the zoo? Chimpanzee make us laugh in the zoo. Make us laugh in the zoo. Next also I told the meaning of strutting. Strutting means also walking or moving very steadily. Okay, very steadily. Walking or moving stiff and steadily. So, question number 4 also I can write. Question number 4 I can write. Usmit, what are you typing? And Susan, stop your front camera beta. Okay. Chimpanzee, yes, very good. And I think you can also see, yes, Shamriddha Mondal, why did you leave, madam? Some problem, you are having network problem. Number 4, Susan, now it is okay, beta, no problem. Oshmit and also Susan Parmin. So number 4 I can write. Number 4, which animal or we can write what do the penguins, question number 4, P-E-N, penguins, G-U-I-N-S, what do the penguins do around the lake? So please, I'll write the answer. The penguins started around the lake. Started around the lake. The penguin started around the lake. And question number 5 again I can give to you. So how do you treat the animals? Question number 5. How do you treat the animals in the zoo? In the zoo. Sir, I will tell them, just please take. Ahana Pamin, I am telling that you will do that. I am just taking her 2 Oak, attendance of 2 Oak, Ahana Amin, Oshmit Mondal, Ayush Pal, Deboshmita Majhi, Kaushik Ghosh. So please scroll. Kaushik Ghosh, Kritika Pal, Samriddha Mondal, Kritika Pal, Samriddha Mondal, Shrestha Ghosh. Shrestha Ghosh, Somagni De, Susan Parvin. Somagni De, Susan Parvin. Okay, sir. they are present. So please mute that. 10, 11 are there. 11 with me. Susan, Parveen sir, mute. They are just they. Please mute them. Okay, thank you, sir. So question number 5. How do you treat the animals in the zoo? How do you treat the animals in the zoo? So here, how do you treat the animals in the zoo? Answer number 5, I am just writing. We should treat them very well. We should treat the animals in the zoo very well. We should treat the animals in the zoo very well. Means they also are expecting from us the well behavior. We should not irritate them by throwing food or throwing some another sticks or some things. Sir, excuse me, just I forgot that. So only these 5 questions are there. I think you know that questions answered, and also again I am telling from the number 3, which animals make you laugh? Chimpanzee makes us laugh. And next one, what do the penguins do around the lake? The penguins trotted around the lake. And how do you behave? How do you treat the animals in the zoo? We should treat the animals in the zoo very well. Okay, these 5 questions are for you. Okay, I know that Suzanne, Somagni, Sesta, everybody they were writing, and also Devoshmita, everybody were writing, you know that. Then page number 74 we can go that. Shrestha also completed. Okay, everybody, I know that. Devoshmita also completed. Ahana, have you completed beta, or again please write slowly and carefully. Again I am telling from the first question, what do you see at the zoo? We see various kinds of animals at the zoo. What does the camel have on its back? The camel has a hump on its back. Then question number 3, I have given the extra question that which animals make us, the chimpanzee makes us laugh. What do the penguins do around the lake? The penguins trotted around the lake. How do you treat the animals in the zoo? So, we should treat the animals in the zoo very well. Okay. So, these 5 questions I have discussed, again I have written also, And here another question, name the animals. These things you should do your homework, and also have you been to a zoo? You can write that I had gone to a zoo. Which animals have you seen in zoo? You can write the name of which animals you have seen. So, tiger, lion, bear, many birds, please write the name. Okay, you can see that I saw these type of animals in the zoo. Name the animals you like the most and why. Whatever, if you like the elephant because it is a very big animal. If you like the birds, you can like its color. And also they are asking, did you feed any animals at the zoo? Should we tease animals? So here we should not tease animals. Here I can write another sentence also. Okay, please write here, we should treat the animals in the zoo very well. So here we should not, please write another sentence. We should not tease the animals. Tease the animals in the zoo or everywhere. We should not tease the animals. So tease means also irritate. Okay, irritate or annoy. Because if you are throwing some stones to them, they will be irritating. So sometimes they will bark or they will try to bite you because they want to protect them. So please don't tease any animals, and I know that you like all these animals. So you are not teasing all animals, but I am just telling, if you are going to zoo or if you are having any pet animal, or also in your locality some stray dogs are there. Stray dogs means, stray means that way, means they are in your locality dogs, okay, that you should not tease them, you should not irritate them. So at that time they will try to bite you because they want to protect themselves. So these 3 or 4 questions I am just discussing you. And did you feed any animals in the zoo? At the zoo, actually before that some small children, they want to feed, but some animals, they cannot bear all these things. So sometimes they became ill. So nowadays zoo authority, they are banning all these things. They are not allowing anybody to feed the animals. So you are the small children, so you can feed because you are not having any problem, you are not teasing them. But somebody, they can tease them, somebody they can feed any other things. So animal can do that, all these things, they cannot digest properly. Okay. So that is the thing, they cannot digest properly. So that's why they are doing like this. Okay. You have completed the page number 74 and listen and put the tick against the words that the teacher says. Eat, listen and put a tick against the word. Eat, think, fun, much, well, act, thank, fan, match, wall. So here listen and put a tick against the words. This day only tick it, next day I will do all these things for making, I will make some sentences with all these words. And I think you know all the meanings. Think, fun, much, much means many things. We are sometimes using also much, much money. Well, well means also good. Act, thank, fan, match, wall. Whatever I am telling, please tick against the words. Okay, only tick it. No need to worry about all these things. After that, bump, hump, page number 75, bump, hump, dump, crowd, crow, cloud, claw, noise, prize, Do you see the picture of the claw? Claw means we are having nail, no? So that claw, only that birds also they are having. And also not only that, birds is also nail, or some tiger and all these animals, wild animals, they are having claw also. Flies, pies, that is rhyming words, but besides that also, that is so many meanings are there. And make sentence using these and that. Elephant walks like this and that. He is so tall, so fat. He has no fingers. He has some toes. But oh my goodness, what big nose. So these and that you will try. I will do it in the next day. Okay. Page number 75 I will do for this elephant the next day. Okay beta. Thank you. And bye. Have a nice day.